That's my boy! Some water. Yo!
So hello namaste welcome, my name is Saraf and welcome to my YouTube channel. So आज का जो video है ना is gonna be really fun and interesting because what? It's a challenge video and I have noticed one thing कि आप लोगों को challenge videos मेरे channel पे पसंद है. So I'm gonna try to keep one or two challenge videos as well, including with my vlogs. And yeah, that's the main thing. So we won't waste much time and yeah, let's begin the video. See you in the next clip, baby. So hello namaste welcome, my name is Saraf. And yeah, I also forgot to tell you that 60% of you are not subscribed to the channel. So why aren't you subscribing? It's for free. So just go there and subscribe the channel before watching the video. So yeah, subscribe now. So hello, namaste, welcome. My name is Saurav and welcome to my YouTube channel. So आज का जो video है ना, it's gonna be a challenge again, and I know how much you love challenge videos in this channel. So yeah, here we are, and I have my competitor with me already. And here he is, Aiban. Let's welcome him again so that he loses again.
I'm back again and I'm about to defeat his ass this time.
Last time you saw how he lost.
I know.
And that was a miracle. If you remember.
Miracle.
इसका नाम अभी से मिरेकल बॉय ऑलरेडी रख दिया इसके सारे दोस्तों ने. So yeah, let's hope कि Miracle Boy loses again. आज का जो challenge है, it's gonna be really fun because it's what's inside the bowl challenge, food edition. So here I have two bowls जिसमें मैं दो चिट्स रखूंगा. एक में है good food और एक में है bad food, like really worst food so anybody could ever have. So yeah, इसमें हम रखेंगे इसको and then we are gonna mix them up and Aiban has to select one and then for the next round I'll select one. So ऐसे करके 3 राउंड करेंगे and let's see who wins it. So let's begin.
Round 1. Fight.
First issues, bro. Okay, I hope यही select करे और यही खाए. You know, Colgate biscuits. So let's go. Oh! Shit. That's gonna be. Okay. I'm gonna open and see. Are you?
Okay,
oh, we both see.
Okay, 1, 2, and.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Yo! Can't you see this? Yo, check this out. Cream filled with biscuit. And look at that smile. So I'm safe. He is done. Yeah. Karma. What goes around comes around.
Shit.
Bro, this is payback time. You guys
आज luck मेरे favor में नहीं है guys.
Yo.
Oh shit.
Bro, listen to me. Come to the camera.
Yeah.
Do you want to switch sides?
Switch sides
I'll
like
eat for you.
literally.
Just kidding, bro. You have to do it.
You have 3 over here. कैसे खत्म करूँ?
I don't know, bro. Just do it. Just do it, right? Oh, my boy. Yo, swallow, bro. Swallow. Yes. Do it. Hey. I know. Look at that face. Oh wait, you know what? I gotta give it up to him though. He does it better than me, so yeah, enjoy watching it. Look at that face.
It's disgusting, man. I'm throw it out.
Wow.
I cannot eat one ramen piece.
Okay, do it, bro. For the fans. Oh. Yo.
Dude, dude, this. Today's not my day, man.
Control, Uday.
Round 2. Fight.
So yeah, guys, let's begin this segment.
Round number 2.
Yeah.
This is yours.
Yeah.
Okay.
let's hope key, you know, the one I get. You open it.
Okay, let me start first.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Look at this. Look at this torture. Uncooked noodles with milk. Don't you think this is stupidly insane? Look at this. Don't you think this is beautiful?
And look at mine.
Are you seriously
Noodles
kidding me?
with egg.
Man, this is like torture. Look at me. What is this? Ew.
पहली सी नागिन निकाली मुन्ना पे डोला लगला.
Gosh, look at these. Are these stars or something? It's decorating. Oh my god, what the hell is this?
Eat it again, bro.
Oh my god, it tastes so horrible, bro. So horrible. Horrible. Oh.
One suggestion: never eat YY with milk, guys.
Look at my sexy
Look at my one.
sexy fork.
You are so good.
Nah, this is better, guys. I swear. This is like cereal YY.
Final round. Fight.
So yeah, he has to select which one is it, right or left? Woo!
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna believe my instincts, and my instinct is telling me to pick. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Left one is mine.
Oh.
So I'll just select what it is.
Woo! Yo! Skirt.
Chili.
Hey, that's torture.
Chilies.
He's gonna fart like anything right now. Get ready.
And what about you, bro? What did you get?
You know, I'm not scared, but it's okay.
It's gonna be good.
Chocolate! Yo! Flex it, baby. Yo, can you see this? Can you see this? Chocolate, baby. I'm pretty sure y'all love chocolate as well, so yeah.
I really have to eat these 3 chilies?
Yeah, you have to do it, bro. You have to do it, okay? I want you to torture yourself so bad. What I want you to do now is I want you to go in front of the camera and show these guys how you're gonna eat it. Okay? Torture yourself in front of them. Come on, people. Are you ready? Are you ready to see that face? Oh! Torture!
Shit, that brightness.
Yeah, look at your face. Come on! Oh! Do it! Oh! Yo, I like that. Oh! Yes! Yes! Yo, that's my boy. My boy. Drink some water. Drink some water. Yo. I like it. Hold on. Let's go check it out together. So much of mucus. Look at your face, bro. Look at your face.
A few moments later.
Wala na ka dun, man. Hindi na ka to. What was this one? Make sure wala yung thing. Yo, look at this view. Enjoy the view, people.
Please.
Boy, oh my god, he spilled the milk. Look at it. I told him to take milk so that it can. Look at that face. It's tears. Oh my god. Okay, you got something to say? Let him know. Let him know, people. Oh yeah.
Six and a half hours later.
So guys, एक्चुअली मैंने आप लोगों के लिए इतना टॉर्चर झेला आज के दिन. I literally had to eat chili
Okay.
biscuits filled with Colgate.
No, your size is enough for all that.
Like literally I had to eat that, and I don't know how to explain it.
Wait.
My mouth is like on fire and disgustingness and dirtiness and everything. So yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me getting tortured, and if you did, then do give it a like, do share this video, and do subscribe to the channel and join in the family. And don't forget to click on the bell icon, because every time I upload a new video, you're gonna get that notification. And मैंने आज बहुत कुछ झेल लिया है, I guess so. So और मुझे झेलते हुए देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें, शेयर करें, and just spread this video. And yeah, one more thing. Do subscribe to his channel too. I'm gonna keep the link in the description. So yeah guys, till then, I'm gonna see you in the next one. So bye bye, take care, stay safe, share love, Jai Hind, see you in the next video, baby.